Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find gallery on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to find the gallery, we can use two apps. The first one is made by Google and it is Photos. So if we go to Google Photos over here, then you should be able to open the library of your photos. You can also go to Memories, of course, over here. You can go to Library in order to find your favorite photos. You can also find the folders and so on and so forth. Over here you can also search for them and create an album if you want to. Another app that you can use in order to find gallery, or actually all photos and videos, is also an app made by Google, and that is Google Files. So if you go to Google Files, over here you will find all recent photos and videos, all the media. But in addition to that, we can also go to Images category and Videos category. So if you go over here, then you will find all your pictures on your device. You can also choose the folder at the top over here. And the same goes, of course, with videos. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.